I'm working on a 2017 Chevy Express van, and today I'm going to be replacing the taillights. The current mileage is 25,145 miles. I'm going to be replacing the passenger side brake light and turn signal, but usually when I'm in here I'll replace all the bulbs. You have to remove this trim panel up here with a 10mm, and that way you can access the bolt for the tail light. So let me test the lights and go from there. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the trim panel, then I'm going to remove the tail light. I'm using the Savania 3157 light, and I got some bulb grease and my favorite toolkit, the Craftsman 11-piece toolkit. Remove the two 10mm nuts that hold this on. And that just pulls right off. Has two little clips that hold it in place. Two little clips go right there, and the two 10mm nuts, and that allows you to access the 10mm nut behind that trim piece for the taillight. And there's 1, 2, 3. Right, this just pulls right off, and it has this part on the bottom, this little hole that goes right on the top of the door hinge. And here's the two 3157 bulbs. That one's clearly burned out. Using the 3157 and some grease. Put a little dielectric grease in there. Now replace the bottom. This is for the backup light. Even though this works, I always replace them all at the same time, because you might as well replace one and one. If you're replacing one, you might as well replace them all, because they're gonna all fail in the near future. A little dielectric grease. Then I'm gonna make sure I put the whole part of the tail light right back in the top part of the hinge. Do this in reverse order and put on the bottom nut. All right, now I'm going to replace the nut that's behind the trim piece. All right, replace the trim piece. There we go. And now I'm gonna replace the other side, just because I like replacing all these at once, and it only takes a couple minutes. And that is replacing the tail lights, turn signals, and backup light in a 2017 Chevy Express van. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.